Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is area of triangle from your chapter coordinate geometry. So we will use the concept of distance formula to find the area of a triangle. So let's start the session. Let's start with an example. Let capital A be minus 3 comma 0, capital B 1 minus 3, capital C 4 comma 1 are the vertices of an isosceles isosceles right angle triangle isosceles right angled triangle. Then find the area of this triangle. Since let ABC are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, find the area of this triangle. So see, since ABC are the vertices of a triangle, okay, vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. So that means if I plot this rough diagram, minus 3 comma 0 will be somewhere, minus 3 comma 0 will be somewhere here, minus 3 comma 0 this point, 1 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 3 will be some here, 1 comma minus 3, and 4 comma 1, this is 4 and this is 1. Okay, 4 comma 1 will be somewhat here. So if I join all these points, we will get a triangle. Now after getting the triangle, we will find the area. Okay, so first of all, we have to show that this is the isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, we have to show this is your isosceles right angle triangle. So what is isosceles? It means that the two sides are equal. So if I suppose this is my A and this coordinate is B already given and this is C. So I have to find the AB distance. So AB length. What is the AB length? We will use our distance formula. Our distance formula is what? Under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is our distance formula. So that means the distance between these 2 points means x, subtract the values of x. If I am taking AB, then I will take 1 minus of minus 3, 1 minus of minus 3 square. Okay, so I am taking my first coordinates from B, then plus minus 3 minus 0 square. So what I will get, 1 plus 3, that is 4, 4 square is 16, and minus a square is 9. So it will be root 25, and I will get my AB length as 5. So after finding AB, I will find the distance between BC, the length of BC. That means it will be C minus B, okay, BC. So I have to find the distance between BC by using the distance formula. So it will be 4 minus 1. I am taking my C coordinates first. 4 minus 1 square plus 1 minus of minus 3 square. Clear? So it will be 4 minus 1 square means 3 square plus 1 plus 3 square. 1 plus 3 square means it's 4 square. So it will be root of 25 and it is 5. It will be your 5. Okay. So BC length is 5. Now at last, the side which is left, AB, BC is covered. Now we will calculate the AC length. Okay, let us find the AC. AC will be 4 minus of minus 3. 4 minus of minus 3 will be 4 plus 3 square. Okay, plus 1 minus 0 square. So it will be 7 square, that is 49, plus 1 root of 50. So it can be written as 5 root 2. Okay, 5 root 2. So the three sides length are we already calculated, AB, BC and AC. Okay, now since two sides are equal, which two sides are equal? My AB side, my AB and my BC. These two sides are equal. Therefore, this AB length and BC length are equal. Therefore, this is your isosceles triangle. Okay, that is done. It is your isosceles triangle. Since two sides are equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. Now, in order to prove that it is your right angle triangle, so the famous theorem, Pythagoras theorem, should be satisfied here. The Pythagoras theorem should be satisfied here. So Pythagoras theorem should be satisfied here. Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. That means any two side squares must be square additions should come to your third side square. Okay, so here our AB BC. So AB was your 5, BC was your also 5, and CA was your 5 root 2. So if I calculate AB square, it will be your 25. If it is your BC square, it will be again your 25. And if I calculate CA square, it will be 25 into 2 and it will be 50. Okay, it will be what? 50. So that means our AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square or AC square. I can say anything. Both are right. So the given triangle is your isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, so this is done. Now at last what we will find? We will find its area. Okay, so now we will calculate the area of the given triangle. So the area. Okay, so we will now calculate the area. So area means half base into height. So we have to calculate its area. So area means half base into height. Okay, so this is your hypotenuse side. So the rest of the two sides are this. Okay, this is your base and this is your perpendicular. So the area will be your, so the area of the triangle, the area of the given triangle will be calculated as half base into height. So base into height. Okay, write it as height, not h. Base into height or perpendicular is also correct. You can take as height or perpendicular. So it will be half. Base means what is your base? Already this side is will come to or your hypotenuse. So these two are will work as base. So 5 into 5. It will be 25 by 2 square units. Okay. So in this way we can calculate our area of a triangle. Okay. Okay, so this is your area of a triangle. Now let's check another question. If I have to show points a comma minus a comma minus a and minus root 3a comma root 3a are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Also find its area. So first of all, we will calculate the length of the sides. First of all, we will calculate the length of the sides. So let us draw a rough figure of ABC. Okay, triangle. So let's my A coordinate is a comma a, B coordinate is minus a comma a, and C coordinate is minus 3a comma root 3a. Okay, now after this, now we will calculate our AB, BC, and CA or AC, anything CA. So my AB distance will be B minus A. Okay, minus A, that is minus A square plus minus A square. Distance formula, it will be minus 2A square. So it will be 4A square. Again minus 2A square, it will be 4A square. So 8A square to 2 root 2A. So for BC means C minus B minus root 3A plus A whole square plus root 3a plus a whole square. Okay, so this will be calculated. So this can be calculated as, so this will be a plus b whole square. So that means 3a square minus 2 root 3 a square plus a square. Fine. So this is root 3 a square. So this will be 3a square plus 2 root 3 a square plus a square. This 2 root 3 a square, 2 root 3 a square gets cancelled. So this will be 3 a square, 6, 7, 8. So it is your 8a square. You will get your value 2 root 2a. Similarly, AB, BC and CA. CA. Okay, so a plus root 3 a square plus a minus root 3 a square. So if we solve this, if we open the square, so see, you are getting the same value for BC and CA. Your expression is same, so you will again get a root 8a square. So after solving this, square root of it will be 2 root 2, and this is a square is square root of a square is a. So that means your AB, BC and CA, they all are equal. So therefore this is an equilateral triangle. All the lengths of the sides are equal. 2 root 2a, 2 root 2a, 2 root 2a, they all are equal. So that it is your equilateral triangle. Okay, now we have to find the area. So area of an equilateral triangle is given by, what is the area? So I am writing here, the area is given by root 3 by 4 side square. So since all the sides are equal and the dimension of the side is your what? 2 root 2, 2 root 2 a square. So this will be written as root 3 by 4 into 8a square. Cancel it. So you will get your value 2 root 3 a square unit. So in this way we have to find the area. First we will find the dimensions of the sides, the length of the side, then we will apply the area formula, area of the triangle. Half base into height, if it is your right angle triangle, if it is your equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 side square will work. Okay, so I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro Profile app. Till then, revise. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.